Hello, this is JourneyJournal from ISMT College, Nepal. Here I will be demonstrating my Android mobile application JourneyJournal app. Just a basic overview of the application. This application that will be demonstrated in this video is for managing a journal. User can sign up and log into the app and perform create, view, edit and delete function on a journal entry. Here user can simply log in if he has already been registered, or simply register and use the app. The desirable function that I selected to be available in the app is geotagging the journal location, which will be demonstrated later in the video. So let's get started with the application demonstration. So when we open the app, as you can see, we are greeted with the splash screen that basically shows the logo and title for the application, and then login screen loads up. From here we can access the registration screen too. From clicking the register here clickable link below the login button, I'll do that, and I will be creating a new user from this registration section. So I'll provide all the values or details. So let's say email, password. Now that I have provided all the required details, let's click on register. At first on button click, input validation is performed, and if successful will be directed to the home screen of the app. So let's see, as you can see we are in the home screen. As a new user, there are no entry as of now, so let's add a new entry, new journal entry. To do this, simply click on the add icon button in the bottom navigation bar. Now we are here in the create a new journal entry screen. First thing, I'll select an image for this journal, so let's do that first. Permission will be asked, as you can see, and if granted, allowed, user can access the image from the gallery. So let's select an image. This is the image I want to select. Now I will provide the title and description of the journal. I have already copied the text that goes into the description, as this can be very long, so here we go. Now after entering the title and description, let's go ahead and select the location for the journal too. To set a location, simply click on the add location icon here on the right hand side. A map activity loads up, and here we simply find the location and set the marker on it by simply clicking on it. So let's select the location. So for now I'll be selecting Kathmandu. So here we go, Kathmandu has been selected. Now let's click on the floating action button at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now the location has been sent from that activity to here. As you can see, Kathmandu, Nepal has been sent here. So now the location has been passed to the text view here, so we can now save the journal and see what happens. As we can see, this entry has been saved. The data upload progress is still going on. Now as soon as that closes, we can know that the journal entry has been saved. Now let's go to the home screen where you can view the journal entry. Now let's click on the card view to view the journal entry wholly. As you can see here, we can view the journal entry with all the details provided in the create section. Here we can see the data too. The data will be passed from the backend when save button is clicked in the create section, and the data will be of the time when the button is clicked on. So we can edit and delete this journal entry from here. We cannot share it because I only attempted one desirable function. So let's go ahead and edit this journal entry and see if the edited changes get updated or not. Let's edit the title, add a line in the description, and change the location to Kathmandu. So to do that, we will click on the edit floating action button, which is on the bottom in the center of the bottom 3 floating action button. So our bottom sheet loads up. Here we can edit the changes. So let's see, I will change the title to Pokhara, and O Kathmandu, I can change that to Ho Pokhara, UPUT, and let's change the location too. As you can see, I'll set the location to Pokhara now. Here is Pokhara. Now select. Now I have done some editing or changes in this edit section. So let's save the let's save if these changes are updated or not. As you can see, the made changes are all updated here in the screen, which proves the edit functionality worked smoothly. The title at the top hand is changed to Pokhara, location has been changed to Pokhara, and the description also has been changed to Pokhara. Now let's delete the entry and see if the entry gets deleted or not. As you can see, the entry has been deleted. Not deleted yet, but we can delete this by simply clicking on the floating action, delete floating action, which is the red button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So let's click on it, and it asks this confirmation message if you want to delete or not. If you click on cancel, the delete confirmation will just be dismissed, but if we click on yes, the entry gets deleted and we are shown successfully deleted toast message. Now now the entry has been deleted. Now let's go to the profile tab and log out from the application. We have been successfully logged out from the application. Now let's see if the login screen works or not. I will be providing the same user credentials that we used to register the user. So the email was this and password was this. Now again, just log in. As you can see, we are successfully logged into the app. This is all for the Android mobile application JourneyJournal. Thank you. Have a nice day.